Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So once again, we will learn what is bubble sort is all about. So thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you're new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is bubble sort? Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The pass through the list is repeated until the list is sorted. This algorithm is named because smaller elements bubble to the top of the list with each iteration. However, it is not very efficient, especially for large lists, due to its quadratic time complexity. Despite its inefficiency, it is often used in educational contexts to demonstrate sorting algorithms due to its simplicity. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is bubble sort is all about. One of the most simplest sorting algorithms that is being used, especially if you are taking up data structure and algorithm subjects in courses in computer science, information technology, or even information systems in college. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.